well, look what finally decided to show up. I've scribbled out the return address and everything, so there's no going back, at least for this thing. Now we are just going to open this up with a flashlight. No, actually, I'm being serious. We're opening it up with this. The box, nice big and grey. Specifications, digital zoom stuff. There we are. Look at this. My camera arrived. The camera arrived 4K. 4K. I call bull on this one. If it was 4K, that'll be incredible. Just open the box and we are delighted to see a cable. It's a HDMI to mini HDMI. A user guide about the lens and stereo microphone and 4K camera video. They really don't want us messing around. Now we gotta open this part up. I got a cloth. Alright, yep. Pack this up. I only want the cloth. This is the battery for it. Mini USB port, not micro USB. I have no idea what this is. It's like a screw of some sort. Something in a bag. And here's the microphone. Check this out. It's got the switches up here. Whoa, it's cold as ice. You take this off. Stereo. Okay. But for some reason this has a dent in it. This foam cover. We got 3.5mm auxiliary cable and it's coiled. Their camera. Let's open this up. This looks like, what is this? A JB on the side. I thought this was Andoer, man. Like it says Andoer. It just says 4K camera. Where's Andoer? Where's Andoer? Oh yeah, here it is. Andoer. Like the top. It looks new. Definitely new. Interesting looking battery. Got a good weight. It feels quite premium. Like it doesn't feel like plastic. Got a toggle thing. Whoa, it's a twisty one. Oh yeah, whoa. And it's got this pill thing for my satisfaction. Power. I'm gonna see if it powers on. Is it gonna power on? Not powering on. Well, that's not surprising. Smells new. You can slide this up and down. I don't want to stuff around. Whoa, that just like shoots out. Like, whoa. Calm down there, buddy. There we go. Check that out. 4K on the side, like that. Remove before use. I gotta remove this tag before I use it. How to remove? We're gonna need the flashlight again. Oh, okay, I see. Just peel that off. Don't take any of the sticky right out. I hate it when you peel something off and like it's over a sticker and it just gives like this white scratch. Oh, it's got the recording button on the back. That's really interesting. Like that. Okay, now is it gonna power on? Whoa! Hey, that sounds familiar. Little button here, as I expected, is the zoom. So you can see it's going in and out of my face right there. And I'm not gonna sit and read in front of the camera, so this is the 3.5mm headphone jack. So wait, we got like resolution and stuff. We can hit down loop recording, motion detection, date stamp. So where's 4K? 1080p, that's like what I already recorded. Yeah, let's go down 1080p because I think I know what I'm doing. Where's back button? Where's back? Oh. What? 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 Oh. Is this touchscreen at all? No touchscreen. TV mode? What's that? Ah, it's this thing. Oh. frequency. I don't see what this has to do with frequency. I'm pretty sure this SD card have to go in there. How do I go back? What's the best back button? Oh, mode. Oh, okay, so you can see up here, changes from video camera. Oh, busy. What, how's it busy? Let's see, how good can we get a zoom on? I don't know why there's a dent in the microphone, but there is. Please insert card. Okay, so you can't do that at this exact second. Bye bye. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Whoa, a bag. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like. I'm kidding. Like all lenses, I know how that works. Ooh. Looks fantastic. Sure, that's supposed to come out somehow. I don't know what I'm doing, and that's the funny part about it. I have cake in my pocket too. Check that out. What? Windows XP? Are you kidding me? How do you install wide angle lens? Here's the wide angle lens thing. Take down dust cover lens first. So you just put it straight on. Is that it? Oh no, that's what the circle thing's for. This thing. That's what this thing is for. It says put that on there and that on there. Or maybe am I supposed to use the bottom first? Read the bottom first. Oh. Okay. So that just clips on just like that. And to get it on like that, you just gotta screw it on. Now that's pretty good. Let's get the lighting on there. Now that's special. I just found where to put the battery, so let's do that right now. At the moment we are doing a microphone test, you can see, and I don't know what effect this is doing at the moment. I'm just gonna... One question I got, how am I supposed to charge this? Oh yeah, you got this. Like, where's it plugged into? Yeah, is that like for charging or connecting to USB or something? Is this battery ever actually supposed to leave the camera? Well, I don't know. Well, there you go. That was my awesome video on a great camera. I'll do some testing of it in future videos. Just check that out. I'll post it in the description if I can remember to put it in the description. You'll be able to hear the music. I mean, of the outro playing, of course, by the time I snap my fingers. And now.